Let's go.
I just wanted to take a second and go over the finishing product of the French drain. You can see when all the sod's in, totally brings it all together. The sod's a really good conductor that's going to keep the system clean, but then is also going to channel everything into the collection basins here. This is, we typically use the 6-inch catch basins, and it's all through the low point of the swale, which is really important because you want to be able to make sure all of the water is going towards that. This part here is actually the backup one in case the gutters ever overflow, then it'll go into here. But this customer's facing a lot of problems with water coming off of the streets. So we made the main primary swale and French drain all through here. So as the water comes down here, it's gonna channel through this way. Even if the system ever gets to capacity, it'll flow over surface and it'll come this way. The catch basins every 20 feet really help get the water into there. But then if you walk over here, you can see that the catch basins are all at the low point. They're really, really solid. They're not going to move. All the downspouts are tied in. The only maintenance he's ever going to have is this right here, and all he'll have to do is take his hand and pretty much brush off any leaves. There's some big trees up there, so he's going to have to do that a few times a year. But then the water will flow all through here, the whole backyard when it would rain real hard, because this property's up higher and then everything back there is up higher. We installed the well yesterday all through here, and that's actually all in this area, and you can't even tell that it's here. But before, without this, everything from the neighborhood would pretty much drain right here and then make a huge lake. Well, now since we put the 2 pumps and 2 wells in, all the French drains tie in right here, and then it's then gonna pump out past the crown of the yard over there, and it'll drain back to the far part of the property, and now it'll be dry through here and work out great.